Thank you for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object. So at first I'm going to here and taking the new file, then MMGS is selected, then go to the top plane, extrude boss is selected, circle is taken, it will be 20 millimeters, exit it. Okay, then it will be 2 millimeters. So done. Then go to the extruded boss, click here, go to the circle and draw a circle. It will be 5 millimeters. Okay, done. Go to here and it will be 10 millimeters. Okay, mouse is out. Okay, then go to here and click it, then Ctrl 8, then go to here and select it, it will be 3 millimeters. Okay, done. Then go to here and it will be through all. Okay, done. Then go to the front plane, go to here, select it from 0, then Ctrl 8, then go to sketch and line is selected, another click and another click, go to here and again come to this again initial point here and go to here and a small dimension is taken, it will be 2.5 and it will be 3.5. okay, done. Then exit it, then go to picture, select the extrude boss, click here, it will be 0.2 millimeters, mouse is draw, mid plane is taken, then go to the linear pattern and circular pattern is taken, body, go to the body pattern, click it and click here, select it, it will be 10. okay, done. Then go to here and the metal is paint, I'm selected it, you can take it, or okay, you can change this color, basic color is taken, this color or this color, I think this color is perfect. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.